Good morning. Chapter 3. In this class we are going to start with the third chapter, data handling. First we will see what is data. Data, you can call it a set of information. I can hear some examples are performance of your class in maths. How is your class is performing in a subject maths? Attendance of your class. What is your class attendance? Number of children playing cricket in your class. So these are all some examples of set of information you need to collect. Suppose performance of your class in maths. If your class teacher is asked to collect this information, what are the information she needs to collect? Performance of your class in maths. Yes, she needs to collect all the students' name and also the roll number and also what are their marks in maths. Okay, these are the information she need to collect for this. And what is attendance of your class? So attendance of your class, she needs to know about the roll number, name of the students, and also what is the attendance. And the number of children playing cricket in your class. For that, she should know how many children are interested in cricket, name of them, and roll number of them, what is the total numbers. Okay. Once we have all the data, we have to present the data so that other could able to understand it. That part is called organizing data. Here I have given some example. It is for weight of the students in a class. Okay, just I have since it's an example, I have given some 5 students here. These two tables represent the same data, but it is tabulated in 2 different forms. If you see the first table here, you can see it is roll number wise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the names are in alphabetical order. Okay, these are the weight of the students. If you see the second, here it is not in roll number wise, this is not in alphabetical order, but the weight are in increasing order. Okay, the data is same, but it is presented in 2 different ways. Okay, now let us discuss what are the advantages and disadvantages of this. Suppose here, what is the advantage of this? Here it is going in roll number wise. Okay, so that in a class of 40 students, I can check if I entered for all the 40 students. I go to the last roll number. If it is 40, it means I have entered the weight of all the students. That is one advantage. Second one is, if I want to know the weight of a particular student, it is in alphabetical order. So I can go and search for that name correctly. Okay, since it is in alphabetical order, suppose it has some 40 students, I want to get a name of a person start with K, I can go to that person correctly and I can search. That is the advantage of this way of tabulating. Okay, then what is here? Here the weights are in increasing order. Okay, so I could able to see which person is having lowest weight and which person is having the highest weight. So if I want to get some data like how many students are less than 30 kgs, how many students are more than 40 kgs, is there some other students are below underweight or some other students have obesity kind of problems. If I want to know something about like obesity or underweight related issues, I can get data from this, which is more easier compared to this way of tabulating. Okay, so once you have collected the data, you have to think for what you are going to use this data. According to that, you have to tabulate it. Okay. Next thing we are going to see something is called arithmetic mean. Suppose I want to find the average weight of the students. There are 40 students in a class. I want to know what is the average weight. Then I will go with calculating arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. How to do it is sum of all observations. So sum of all so each entry is called observation. This is observation, this is observation. So sum of all observation means, suppose I want to find the average of these 5. I will sum up together 32 plus 30 plus 28 plus 34 plus 30. That is the sum of all observations divided by number of observations. I have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 observations in the denominator. Example 1. Ashish studies for 4 hours, 5 hours and 3 hours respectively on 3 consecutive days. How many hours does he study daily on an average? So Ashish is studying for 4 hours, 5 hours and 3 hours for 3 consecutives. So I have to find on an average, means I have to find the mean. What is the mean equal to? First I have to say 4 plus 5 plus 3. This is the observations. So this is 4 plus 5 plus 3 divided by number of observation, that is 1, 2, 3, 3 observation, which is 12 divided by 3, that is equal to 4. Okay, so what is the mean is, how many hours does he study daily? So he studied for 4 hours daily. Okay, this is the mean. A batsman scored the following number of runs in 6 innings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so what is the mean? We have to find the mean of this. So mean equal to, you have to add 36 plus 35 plus 50 plus 46 plus 60 plus 55 divided by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, if you add this, it will be 282 divided by 6, that is equal to 47. Okay, the mean runs scored by the cricketer is 47. Next problem. The ages in years of 10 teachers of a school are. So they are given the ages of 10 teachers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally 10 teachers are there. They have given the ages of the 10 teachers. What is the age of the oldest teacher and that of the youngest teacher? You have to write the age of the oldest teacher and the youngest teacher. For that, you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Okay, here I have written it in ascending order. So what is the age of the oldest teacher? Age of the oldest teacher, that is 54. Okay, here age of the youngest teacher is 23. Okay, the next is, what is the range of the ages of the teacher? Always range. What is range is the difference between the highest and lowest observation. This is the highest and this is the lowest. What is the difference? That difference is called range. So this is 54 highest minus lowest is 23. Okay, that is equal to 31. So range is 31 years. The next is, what is the mean age? We know how to calculate the mean. So we have to add all the 10 observations, which is 32 plus 41 plus 28 plus 54 plus 35 plus 26 plus 23 plus 33 plus 38 plus 40. Okay, all the thing you have to add and have to divide it by 10, which means 23 plus 26 plus 28 plus 32 plus 33 plus 35 plus 38 plus 40 plus 41 plus 54. Okay, you have to add and divide by 10. Here you can get 350 divided by 10, that is equal to 35 years. Okay, this is the mean. Now we are going to start with exercise 3.1. Find the range of heights of any 10 students of your class. Okay, so I have given some numbers of heights of 10 students in centimeter. You can see 132, 120, 140, 150, 125, 137, 148, 135, 142 and 139. Totally there are 10 students. For the range, you have to subtract the highest minus lowest. For that, you have to first arrange this number in a ascending order, increasing order or decreasing order, whatever way you want. Here I arranged in a increasing order. So rearrange the data in increasing order. Check is the number of entries are correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now, which is the highest is 150 and the lowest is 120. So 150 minus 120 is 30 centimeter. So the range is 30 centimeter. Okay. The next question is, organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular column. Here they have given the marks. So you can count it. There are 20 entries here. So this is a mark of a 20 students. You can see the lowest mark is 1 and the highest mark is 9. So here I have marks in this column, and there's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is, if one has entered only once, I put a single line here. If 2 I have twice, put double line here. Okay, 3 is entered for 1. 4 is entered 3 times. Here is 1 4, here is 1 4, and here is 1 4. If you see 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so the 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth is crossed like this. For the fifth count, you have to make a cross. And this is for 6, 7, 8, 9. Then frequency is just, it is 1, put a 1 here. If there is 2 lines, put a 2 here. So this means 5. This is 4, 2, 1, 1. Okay, this is how we can tabulate it. Continuation of the same question. Which number is the highest? Here 9 is the highest. 9, the mark 9 is the highest mark. Which number is the lowest? 1 is the lowest mark. So what is the range will be? What is the range? Highest minus lowest. So 8. What is the arithmetic mean? Mean means you have to add it up and divide by the number of observations. Here there are 20 mark of the 20 students. So you have to add all the 20 students marks and you have to divide by 20. This is 100 divided by 20, that is equal to 5. The next problem is find the mean of the first 5 whole numbers. So what are the first 5 whole numbers? First 5 whole numbers. Okay, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the first 5 whole numbers. So what is the mean of that is 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 5. Okay, that is equal to 10 divided by 5, that is equal to 2. The whole number starts with 0, so I have to include 0 also. 0 is the one of the entry. So first 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 entries you have to take. The next is, a cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings. Find the mean score. So mean equal to, you have to add all these numbers and you have to divide by 8, which is equal, if you add you will get 400 divided by 8, that is equal to 50. Okay, the mean run scored is 50. Following table shows the points of each player scored in 4 games. So there are how many players? A, B, C. These are the players and these are the number of games. So there are 4 games, game 1, game 2, game 3, game 4, and this is the score. Then the first question is, find the mean to determine A's average number of points scored per game. So this is to determine the average score of A. So first game 14, second game 16, third game 10 and the fourth game is 10. So this is for A. So what should I write is A's average score. Okay, A's average score equal to, this is 14 plus 16 plus 10 divided by 4, that is equal to 50 divided by 4, that is equal to 12.5. Okay, if you see, this is for A. To find the mean number of points per game for C, would you divide the total number of points by 3 or 4? Why? So they have asked for C. Why means because here the game 3, the player C did not play the game 3. Okay, so in first game he scored 8, second he scored 11, the third game he didn't play, and the fourth he scored 13. So to find the mean, whether you will divide the total points by 3 or 4, since he did not play the game, thus number of entry is 1, 2 and 3. We have to divide by 3 only. So if we want to, we have to divide the total points by 3. Okay, because he played only 3 games. He played 3 games. Okay, So what is the mean of C? How will you do? 8 plus 11 plus 13. 8 plus 11 plus 13 divided by 3, that is equal to 32 by 3, that is equal to 10.6. This is the mean of C. Okay, they didn't ask, but yet I am writing for the next question. B played in all the 4 games. How would you find the mean? You see here, even though the B had a 0 here, you have to include that because he played and he didn't score anything. This is the difference between did not play and getting a score of 0. He played but he got 0 in that. So we have to include this. Here we have to divide the total score by 4. Okay. So mean of B. Mean of B, that is equal to 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 divided by 4, that is equal to 18 divided by 4, that is equal to 4.5. Okay, so now we can check. A average score is 12.5 and B is 4.5 and C is 10.6. Who is the best performer? The best performer is A because he scored 12.5. A is the best performer. Okay. The next question is, the marks out of 100 obtained by a group of students in a science test are given. Find the highest and the lowest marks obtained by the students. So they have asked for the highest and lowest mark. For that you have to arrange this number either in ascending order or in a descending order. Now I have arranged the marks in ascending order. So you can see the highest mark is 95 and the lowest mark is 39. Okay. The range of mark is highest minus lowest, which is 95 minus 39, that is equal to 56. Next you have to find the mean. You have to add all the 10 entries, 10 marks divided by 10, that is equal to 730 divided by 10, that is 73. Problem. The enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years was as follows. Enrollment means admission in a school. So these are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have to find what is the mean of that. You have to add all those 6 entries and divide by 6, which gives 12,348 divided by 6, that is equal to 2058. This is the mean. Next question is, the rainfall in mm in a city on 7 days of a certain week was recorded as follows. This is the rainfall in a city for 7 days. That is Monday to Sunday, totally 7 days. Okay. So find the range of the rainfall in the above data. So range is, you have to find the highest minus lowest. What is the highest record here? So this is 0, 12.2, 2.1, 0, 20.5, 5.5 and 1. The highest is 20.5 minus, what is the lowest is 0, 0.0, that is 20.5 mm. Okay, the next is find the mean rainfall for the week. So mean equal to, you have to add 0.0 plus 12.2 plus 2.1 plus 0.0 plus 20.5 divided by 5.5 plus 1.0 divided by 7. That is equal to 41.3 divided by 7, that is equal to 5.9 mm. Question is, on how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? Okay, the mean rainfall just now we calculated, which is 5.9 mm. Though how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? So we have to find how many days the rainfall was there less than this 5.9 mm. We have to find the days less than 5.9 mm. That is Monday, Wednesday and Thursday, and also here is Saturday and Sunday. These are the days there is rainfall which is less than 5.9 mm. So there are 5 days, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday. So rainfall is less than the mean rainfall 5.9 mm. The next question is, the height of 10 girls were mentioned in centimeter and the result are as follows. These are the height of the 10 girls given in centimeter. Okay, the first question is, what is the height of the tallest girl? So 151 centimeter. What is the height of the shortest girl? This is 128 centimeter. What is the range? Range is equal to 151 minus 128, that is equal to 23 centimeter. What is the mean? Mean is you have to add all the 10 entries, which gives divided by 10, that is equal to 141.4 centimeter. Okay, how many girls have height more than the mean height? The mean height is 141.4 centimeter. We have to count how many girls is having more than this height. So which is 141.4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Totally 5 girls. So answer is 5 girls. 5 girls are having heights more than the mean height. We are completing exercise 3.1. From next class we will start exercise 3.2. Thank you.